Rocket Pat here. Alright guys, it's another rocket day in the jungle. Well, I was just talking to my favorite new guitar girl on the YouTube, Alicia Jet Rose. Hey man, y'all get over there to her channel and watch that last video she made. If y'all like the song Venus, yo yeah baby, she's got it. Yeah, she's got it all right. That was a good video. Y'all go over there and check that video out. Alicia Jet Rose. And yeah, y'all tell her I sent y'all. All right, so what we're talking about today here is, I was talking with Alicia and I said most of the cars y'all don't even see that I work on. I mean, seriously, y'all don't see stuff like this. 2010 Mercury Mariner or some crap like that. I don't know what it is. But the lady's complaint is that she's going 40 miles an hour or faster, and if she hits the brakes, the whole front end shakes, okay? Well, that's a common problem. I'm sure that everybody that's watching this for the most part knows what this is, you know, what we need to do. So the customer shows up with a set of rotors. Normally, I do not let customers bring parts to my garage. I sell auto parts. I buy, sell auto parts and labor too. I don't do bring your own steak to my steakhouse. So anyway, bottom line is they showed up with their own rotors, wanting me to change the rotors. But the problem is, if you just change the rotors, because all the customers want to say, well, there's plenty of brake pad left, okay? But the problem is you're out of phase, okay? I know for a fact that this rotor has been turned at a brake shop, okay? You can tell it's been turned because it's got a nice sharp edge right there on the side of the rotor, okay? A factory rotor that is beveled, that is not sharp. So that means somebody cut material off of here. Okay, Ziggy, you know what I'm talking about. I know you know what I'm talking about. Okay? Now what's happened is, by turning the rotors and not replacing the rotors, I've seen this I don't know how many times. I used to turn rotors and all of a sudden I started seeing this coming back in my shop. Okay? I got customers coming back, they're complaining about front end shake, and I've got half the pad left. Now, you can change the rotors. Oh, well, you need some new rotors. Now, there's another $300 down at the brake shop or more, okay? But they've slapped those pads back on there. Now they got you out of phase. It's kind of like the tire stores that want to put your crappiest tires on the front so that they wear out faster. Instead of your brand new ones you just put up that you just bought. Okay, same game, all right? Now, what's happening is, your brake pad wears halfway, you put new rotors on. You wear the brake pad out, you put a new set of brake pads on, halfway again. You see where you're out of phase? Just put the rotor and the pad on together every time, and you will wear out the pad before the rotor starts shaking your front end to death, okay? I've been doing this a lot of years. I know that because I'm putting this out there on YouTube, some asshole is going to sit there and say, you're wrong, Rocket Pad. I try to cut them rotors all the damn time. I never have any damn problem with it. You're wrong. But I'll go to their channel. I don't know. I'm just saying, man. Name on the phone is on the name on everything around here is mine. Okay, I did one on brake fluid about not putting brake fluid, not letting the oil change guys just keep topping off the brake fluid, topping off the brake fluid, topping off the brake fluid. And I still to this day get jerks that come over there. Well, you know, oh blah 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 this or blah 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 that and blah 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 this and blah. Well, you're a dumbass. You should just do that. You know what I mean? I'm just telling you, dude, do what you want. But in my garage, this is how I do it. All right, guys. Well, that's enough of that hot rocking on the rolling and the rolling and the rocking. We got hot rods for miles. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking. I'll keep talking to y'all next time. Miles and miles of hot rods.